some ducks. I remember the time I caught one of the baby ducks.
You did. Come on, let's go.
Second time
Woo, let's go.
the first time when I got him, I just.
You ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go.
Please. I don't.
Oh no, the cat's outside.
It's fine.
This is our ride today. This is the TST. You ready? Got the wheels out.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let me get on first and then you go, okay?
Okay, but I'm gonna be dead in the next time.
Why would you be dead? We're gonna take it nice and slow. Let's
I'd rather not.
turn on the bike.
Don't mind me. I'll just get up.
Okay.
No hands. I'm gonna go with no hands the whole ride.
No hands the whole ride?
I'm just kidding.
Let me turn our light on
That
just
would
for
be crazy.
extra safety.
No, I'm sitting down now.
You gonna sit down? All right. Let's put it in one. Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Let's head out. Yes, buddy boy.
Let's go, buddy boy. You hanging on tight?
Yeah.
Let's go. Today we're going to the park.
It's Donnelly or something.
I wish we'd go Donnelly.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean.
Hey, hold on. I gotta close this door. Take a second. We should go to Donnelly Park. Chase the ducks. Get on. I don't want it to fall. Oh. Let's go, let's go. Oh, they're at Crane Park. Should we go to Donnelly Park first? And then we'll meet up with the rest of them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to Donnelly Park, even though it's getting dark. Let me kick this off. All right, get in. Oh,
Start recording.
you straight pulled on my nipple. You pulled it.
What?
You heard me, you freaking pulled it.
Why would I do that?
You did. All right, we're at 1,
You're lucky I didn't come out.
and we're going 8 miles an hour.
Start recording.
Yeah, we already started.
Oh my.
Let's go a little faster.
Hello. All right, we're gonna go to Donnelly Park and then Crane, right?
Yeah, let's go to Donnelly Park first, and then we'll go to Crane.
You probably haven't seen this video, even though it's not on our YouTube channel or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a new channel.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you ready to cross?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go faster.
No.
Let's go.
I'm like 10 years old.
Uh-huh.
And do not scare me.
Okay. Let's go. It's almost the 4th of July, yeah.
July already.
Yeah.
It's like July already, and they already set up the fireworks, and nobody can buy any until it's like 4th of July.
Oh yeah? Let's hit 5. Let's see how fast we can go. Yeah, make sure to grab my stomach. There you go. Woo!
Might get a little stop.
Yeah,
Let's
let's,
go to Donnelly Park for a bit, and then meet up at Crane with my mom. Very famous crocheter.
oh yeah?
Yeah, we're whole family, bro.
Hold on.
Alright, we're hitting a curve.
Alright, it's almost time. We should have just taken it. But we don't want to break the law. No breaking the laws.
That is true.
Uh-huh. Let's go.
I don't want to do that.
We'll go through the sidewalk. Let's see how she does off-road.
The last time we went off-roading, it was like that.
Last time we had an accident. Ugh.
It's the first time we were here like that.
I know. That was awesome.
That was insane.
Let's see if we can find some ducks.
Yo. It's the buckiest road. Actually, I think I know why. There's a bunch of people over here.
Hey, hold on.
Oh my god.
Okay.
That's crazy. Before I can finish my
It's okay. I just fixed the brakes on it because the brakes were all squeaky.
Okay.
The back brake was super squeaky. I don't know what's up with it. Oh, there they are! Ducks.
Ducks.
Let's see if we can find another set of ducks. Hold on, there's a big old bump right here. Jeez!
Oh my god, the bumps are the worst.
They're not too bad, but
Yeah, that is true.
let's go through here.
Back on the bumpy road.
Woo, let's go!
I remember this is where we had our accident.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Yeah, we saw it.
Yeah, we fell over there.
Oh,
Oh, big old tree.
we crashed one more time.
I don't want to go that way. That way's too bumpy.
I guess.
Where are all these ducks at? They might be in the water already.
My dad.
Are you over me? Oh, look, there's two ducks over there. You don't even care. They don't even care. You know where? There's a lot of ducks. Oh, there's a cop over there.
Where?
Over there.
Oh God. We're gonna drive some. By the way, speaking of cops,
Uh-huh.
our brother Christian got arrested by
Oh my god.
not wearing a helmet.
Something like that. Oh my god, it's so freaking bumpy over here. This is usually where all the ducks are at, remember?
This is so much.
This is where all the ducks are usually at, but there's none here.
Not here.
But you know what? There's too much cops. Look, there's cops already. I don't want to get in trouble. Oh, there's some ducks right here. We can just chase these guys real quick. Oh, they have a little duckling.
Where?
Right here.
Oh. We're gonna chase some ducks.
I don't know, I just feel so nervous with the cops. Oh, almost got-
Some ducks. I remember the time I caught one of the baby ducks.
You did. Come on, let's go.
Second time
Woo,
when I
let's
got
go.
the first time when I got them, I just flopped them out. And
Yeah.
I did a backflip. There's two cops. We're cooked.
Okay, let's get out of here.
I want to get out of here.
Let's go. It's
Alright,
crazy.
now we're gonna go stop by Crane.
Let's go stop by Crane Park. So you can get your bike. Let's go so you can get your bike, yeah?
Please stand by, bro.
Oh my god, I'm going 22. Hold on. We're going off-roading. POV. I have not signed an autograph yet. No. But my first channel does have 22 million views. Oh look, there's a bike right there. You didn't see the bike?
No!
It was back there. Oh, there's one too, yeah. Oh, a bike lane? Yeah.